I'm a big fan of using up everything you have and not letting anything go to waste. For this minestrone soup recipe, you can basically use anything you have on hand and you hardly even need a recipe. I'm just going to show you the basics. So first of all, we're going to add extra virgin olive oil to our soup pot. And I'm using leeks, but you could use spring onions or regular onions for this. And at the same time, we're going to add bacon. You could use speck or chorizo in place, or even flat pan cheddar, some crushed garlic, and a nice mix of chopped hard herbs. So I've got sage and rosemary and thyme in here. Give that a good stir. Now that our leeks are nice and soft and some of that fat has rendered from the bacon, I'm going to add white wine. You could use red wine here, or you could also use a splash of vinegar. And we just want that to reduce by half. Now I'm going to add some green veggies. I've got fennel, I've got zucchini, and I've got celery. A mix of beans, so you could use cannellini beans here, kidney beans, chickpeas. Then we've got some tomato passata, and you could use a can of tomatoes here as well if you have that. A parmesan rind. Now I always keep these in the freezer. Whenever you get to that last bit of parmesan, hold on to the rind. It adds an amazing flavour to soup bases. And then I'm going to add some stock. Then I'm just going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. And then we're just going to bring this to a simmer. We're going to cook this for about 5 minutes until the veggies are just tender. Our soup's been simmering for about 5 minutes, so now we're going to add our pasta. Now, I don't know about you, but I have a terrible habit of only using about 3/4 of a packet of pasta. So this is all of my leftovers, and you can use any type of pasta you like here. You could even use spaghetti, and you could just break it up into smaller pieces, which is a great little trick. Add that to your soup. Cook your pasta until it's nice and tender, and it doesn't matter if it's a little bit overcooked here. Our soup is almost ready, and we're going to add our leafy greens, but first I'm going to remove the parmesan rind. And now I'll add our greens. So here I've got rainbow chard, but you can use a mix of silver beet, kale, English spinach. Again, anything that you like goes well here. Your greens only need about 2 minutes of cooking time, so just cook them until they're nice and wilted, and then just season to taste. Our no waste minestrone is ready to plate up. I'm going to finish my soup with parmesan, chopped soft herbs, and extra virgin olive oil. This no waste minestrone is not only nutritious, it's warming and filling, and using whatever you have in the fridge means it's a different dish every time. For this recipe and more, head to delicious.com.au.